Good morning, all. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Edra Department of Information Technology. On today's, we will start the 14th lecture on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here, vision mission of departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission, in their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here syllabus for course, their total 5 units are there. Course outcomes, after the completion of unit number 3, you achieve which CO, build website with multimedia contents. Here unit outcomes of unit web page development using multimedia. First, write steps to develop web page comprising of graphical media and HTML composer for the given situation. Second, describe features of the given audio file formats, difference between the two types of audio. Next, describes features for the given video file format. Summary of previous lecture. In our previous lecture, which points we conducted? The list, in under list, unordered list, order list, definition list and nested list. So now on today's lecture we continue the next point, that is URL. You already know what is meant by URL. You all are use the net, so know that URL stand for Uniform Resource Locators. A URL is used to address a documents or the other data on the web. Example, https://www.google.com /html image.html. Image.html means these are the image is the web page name, okay, and .html these are the extension. For example, file extension means what you know. File extension means what, which types of file that indicate that, okay. For example, PowerPoint .pptx, Excel.xlx, that's type. Notepad file .txt, that's like. Image.html means this file will be the which file, the HTML file, okay. After that, types of URL. In there two types of URL, absolute URL and relative URL. In under absolute URL, the absolute URL requires you to place the entire address on the web page that you link. For example, ahref is equal to, in double quotation, write entire address on that web page which you want to link that, okay. For example, http://www.example.com xyz.html. Any you give the file name, okay. And relative URL means what? The relative URL does not use full address, means what? It assumes that the page you type on the same site. Example, ahref is equal to, only for write the page name .html means that file extension, not the required in that write the full path of that. It is need in a absolute URL. In under the relative URL it is not need. Next point, anchor tag. What is meant by anchor tag? The HTML anchor tag defines a hyperlink that one page to another page. Okay. You use the web pages. You use the website. Okay. In a website, multiple pages are there. Okay. You moving the one page to another page means you use the hyperlink concept. Okay. That is how to possible using through anchor tag. It can create hyperlink to other web pages as well as files, locations or any URL. Okay. Files means in your website are there, through you move on your any file or any location, it is possible. Also you move the another URL, it is also possible. How it is possible? Using through hyperlink concept, means what? You use the anchor tag. href attributes of HTML anchor tag. in that anchor tag, which attribute is used? href. Using href attribute, you can move the one page to another page. The href attributes is used to define the address of the file to be linked. Example, a href is equal to, in double quotation, write in a double quotation that file name dot file extension. Which file extension? dot html. Click for second page. Okay, when we click on that message, this statement, click for second page, we click that, then second .html page will be open. That means what? In click for second page, it is the text in a one page, for example first.html, and on that click, that time open the second .html, means move from one page to another page, first HTML page to second HTML page. Types of links. There are two types of links. First, internal link, second, external link. In under internal link, when you link your page within your own directory. Okay. For example, a href is equal to second.html second page. And external link means what? When you link your page to other websites, then you need to give full path of URL. For example, a href http://www.google.com image and Google, this word is used and anchor tag close. What is happening in that internal and external? Internal meaning is that in a word is indicate that internal means within directory, external means outer that directory. For example, you are create one website. For example, Google website. Okay, there in that Google website many pages are there that move using internal link, but you want to move the Google to Yahoo or Google to Gmail. Okay, you move to another website. That time to use full address. Okay, that time said as the external link. How it is possible? In that time you write the full path. For example, google.com, gmail.com, yahoo.com, etc. Next point, images, colors and background. These all points are completed in your back semester under the HTML subject. Okay, in that only for chapter are there. So I am only for giving the shorts, means which points are important, that points are given that. In under images, colors and background, in under first point, image. How to image add on your HTML page. The img tag defines an image in an HTML page. Syntax. What is the syntax? That img src is equal to url alt some text, where src attribute contains a path pointing to the image which is inserted into the page. Okay, what is the src attribute? In that contains the path. Path means address. Okay, which address? That image address which will be inserted on that page. And alt attribute specifies an alternative text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. Means any time any problems is created in any web pages, the image not be displayed. That time what happens? How will be clear that? Means how will be understand what type of that image using that alt, means alternative text. For example, you giving the image as the girl. Okay, but user not shown the what is the image that, and that also not showing on that web page. That time you write that word as the girl, means user understand it is the image as the girl image likes. Okay, that time to use that alt attribute. Next point, example, how to write that img tag src. In under write the URL, means in that I am writing to the image path. Image, the extension will be jpg, png, bmp, etc. I am giving the jpg image and that name is the 10. So these are the stored in a C drive user folder, in administrator folder, in download folder. That 10 image will be there. So that I am giving the path. After that, in a alt I am giving the image as a word. means in a HTML how to display the image using img tag and pass the src attributes, alt attribute, src attributes in under write full path of that image where stored in your computer or in any location. After that alt in that alternative text will be displayed when anytime image will not be displayed. Next point, image formatting attributes. There some attributes are there. First, width, height, align, border, s space, v space. That all are you know that width means to set the image width. That image in the height and width will be set using through width and height attribute. Height attribute to set the image height. Align. Okay, align means by default image will be aligned, means where to display, in which side, at the left side of the page. If we set the image to center or right, then we use the align attributes. Border. Next attribute border, used to specify border. Border means thickness in term of pixels using the border attribute. A thickness of 0 means no border around that image or picture. H space. Next attribute H space, to insert the horizontal margin around the image. H space used for setting space left and right of image, means which you want to give the margin in a horizontal of that image, that time to use H space. That space will be given for left and right side. And V space means to insert the opposite of that H space. V space to insert the vertical margin around the image. V space used for setting space above and below of that image. Example given that img tag src attributes give the image path, after that height value given that, width, after that s space, v space and border and alt. These are the attributes are used in under the image tag. Next point, color. You want to give the color on that particular text, that time to use color concept. Specify a text color for a sentence, then use the color attribute. Example, h1 color is equal to in double quotation blue, means sit word is displayed in which color? Blue color. Next point, specify a text color for an HTML document, then use text attributes. In that only for one sentence is given that color blue, but you want to all sentences on that web page giving the color, that time use text attribute, and that where to write it in a body text is equal to in double quotation red, and which you content display on that web page, that will be write it. After that close the body tag. Clear that how to give the color particular one sentence and also entire web page. After that one concepts are there, that is the moving the text in your web page. You want to any word moving an HTML document, how will be possible? Using the marquee tag is used for moving the text. Specified text is moving an HTML document. Example, marquee sit and marquee close. It is a start tag, it is the end tag. Means what happened in web page, sit word is moving for left to right on that page, that time to use marquee tag. Next concept, background color. Specify a background color for an HTML. How will be possible? Give the bg color attribute. Where to give? In a body tag. In that said as the background color, means in whole page you giving the color. So that attribute where to use? In a body tag. Body BG color is equal to yellow. SIT Polytechnic Hyderabad. These are the sentence. Body close means on that whole page display the yellow color, that above which statement display SIT Polytechnic Hyderabad. That's like if you want to give the background as an image, that time specify a background image for an HTML is also possible using through background attribute. Where to write it? In a body tag. Body background is equal to, in that give the path of that image where to store in your location, in your computer. That location will be, type it, and hello world is display on that web page, and body close means what is the output of this? In a web page, full web page display the image which you giving the, or which you pass that, and on that image display the hello text. Next one, another point is image. If you want to give the image as a hyperlink, you know that hyperlink means moving the one page to another page. In that also this is like, means you move the, or you hyperlink from one page to another page, but you want to using not a sentence, you using image. How will be possible? That are image as a hyperlink. Image hyperlink are constructed by embedding an img tag inside of an anchor tag. Anchor tag means, for the anchor tag which tag is used? A tag. Syntax, how to write that? Href is equal to hyperlink path, which giving the hyperlink that will be pass in a href attribute, and there which image we giving the hyperlink, that image displayed in a between the start tag and end tag of anchor tag. In that close your anchor tag. Okay. In a previous points we studied the moving from one page to another page. In that also this is same, moving that one page to another page, but in that using through image you moving the one page to another page. In a previous point we studied the statement or any words through you moving the one page to another page. Clear? Example, firstly you moving one page to another page, you using the hyperlink concept means you want to two pages are there. Okay, for example, first step is that first page as a sample.html page is save that. Okay, on that page what is the right? HTML tag, head tag, you giving the title as a image as a hyperlink, head close, body, their body close, HTML close. Okay, in that body you write the image as a hyperlink. This statement will be displayed on that web page. After that href is equal to, okay, you give the hyperlink means obviously you use the anchor tag means a tag and href attribute. In a href attribute, which page will be displayed after that page link are past that, and in between that anchor tag which sentence through or which image through you moving that one page to another page, that path will be displayed in between that anchor tag. Image src, okay, because we use the image as a hyperlink, so in that pass the image path. After that height, width and align and specify some attributes. After that your anchor tag will be close, body close, HTML close. This is the first page. I save it through the sample.html. Next step, another notepad is open, that save as the second page as a exp9.html page. Okay, exp9, that's like, in that also save, type this HTML code, that HTML head body. Okay, in that body hello world will be displayed. That second page, which name to save that? exp9.html. that name will be given in a first page, in that giving that page, and that path where to save that? In a C drive users folder, in desktop folder, in desktop folder, that exp9.html will be saved. That is the second page. Means output what is the happen? in that first page, image will be displayed. When we click on that image, then second page will be displayed. Means on that second page, what is the word or which are the web page, on that web page display the hello world. Clear that? Means on that first page image there are present, on that image you click that, means second page will be open. On that second page hello world is displayed. This is the image as a hyperlink concept. Summary on that today's lecture. On that today's lecture, which points are conducted? URL, anchor tag, after that image, colors and backgrounds. Homework for you, write in your notebook today's lecture points. Here stop on today's lecture. On that lecture any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.